I have my hands on the Freedom 4 Mini Rota-Beam Lightbar from none other than Whelen Engineering. What this wonderful 24-inch platform does is mix in the Rota-Beam modules. So that's what I have going here in the corners, front-facing, rear-facing. So taking new technology into an old school look. And it must say, it is awfully powerful here in the studio. And just so you can tame that down if the need arises, well, flip that down into a low power mode, not only the corners, but the inboard modules as well. So these are the same that you would find in the Freedom 4 Lightbar. If you want to mix in different ones, this is a great way to do so. Otherwise, you can replace these with an inboard module, both frontward and rearward. You could also take advantage of getting rid of those and mixing in alley lights and takedown if the need arises for illumination. And just because this is red doesn't mean that we can't do it in any of the other safety colors. In the corner modules, there is a total of 10 flash patterns that you can flip around through, both going clockwise and counterclockwise. And on the inboard modules, you're going to find a total of 24. So using the scan lock trigger wire, the classic white with violet trace, applying that to a momentarily 12-volt source, that'll make changes. So go ahead, do some of those now. So both the corners and the inboards, those are all going to change together. And you might be thinking, well, 24-inch bar, what is that going to be used on? Not everything needs to have a full-size light bar. In some fire apparatus, a set of these on the rear or front-facing, if it's an aerial, works absolutely great. You could remove the rear modules if they're not going to be visible. Or maybe it's something smaller, so a custom application, or maybe a brush truck where up on the overhead, there's just not enough room, again, for that full-size bar. So if you have 24 inches, this is absolutely perfect. And with the profile it has, yes, it is still low profile. Well, it's 4 inches, so yeah, it's low profile, but compared to a Legacy, which is like this, yeah, it's different. But the bar, nonetheless, powerful lighting, so that is what the focal point of that is here. Inboard modules, you can have alternating patterns and patterns in which they're flashing together. So again, this is all just totally up to your preference. Like that one there. The other trigger wires in the harness here, those are going to carry into takedowns, alley lights, and then trigger wires that would be for the inboards here. So you're not going to use every single one of these, just a few of them, tying them into your 12-volt electrical system and your switch array. A couple of the things that are different in this mini bar versus other ones, that is the ground wire. Because these modules do have a good amount of power consumption to them, you'll take a look at the amp draw when it comes to the install, getting yourself all prepped out, but this is the ground harness alone, so keep that in mind. The other harness, that is going to be what I've been using for lighting this bar up. So, multitude of different trigger wires, like I mentioned, all color-coded, referenced in the installation sheet. Not going to use every single one of them because you can't put every single option into this bar. Flip this over for you so you can take a look at the bottom. Standard mounting feet, so these are the same ones that you would see on the full-size bar or Liberty 2 series. Wiring harness exit. So with this bar being a 360 degree and the rear completely mimicking the front, you could spin it around. If you had modules not populated here, just pay attention to the wiring harness and getting this set up so it works right for your vehicle. The mounting feet themselves can be adjusted, so you do have some ability to slide them out just a little bit further or more inward, or something else that you could do with these, remove them, use a set of the slide bolt kits that Whelen has, MK9S, that'll allow you for another mount or crossbar. Another feature that you'll find within this bar is the cruise mode. Rota-Beam modules, nicely glowing, and to add in some warning, power applied to the trigger wires, again for the inboards, a nice way for this light bar to be set up. With our mock-up here, give you a great look in a bright, sunny environment, just how powerful this combination of Freedom 4 inboard modules in the 6/6 and the Rota-Beam corners are. Just envision it in your appropriate color scheme if red isn't what suits you. So again, a absolutely wonderful mini light bar platform it is from the gang at Whelen Engineering. I'm Chris, and thank you for joining me on this episode of SIRENNET Television. To stay up to date with us, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.